How to customize your wallet and Apple Pay notifications on the iPhone 16 series. First, let's go back to the home screen by swiping up at the bottom of the screen. Then from the home screen, tap on Settings. Now in the Settings page, we scroll down and then tap on Wallet and Apple Pay. Then tap on Notifications. Now in here, we go down and tap on Allow Notifications to have it switch off or turn on. If you want to receive notifications once you have made a payment, then make sure you turn on notifications in here. Next is the time sensitive notifications. So you can switch it on or off. And here say time sensitive notifications are always delivered immediately and remain on the lock screen for an hour. So if you want to get notified as soon as you make a payment, make sure you turn on time sensitive notifications as well. Next are the alerts type. So we have the lock screen alert, notification center, and banners. And here you can customize it by tapping on the checkbox here to have it enable or disable. Then you got the banner style. So you can set the banner style to temporary or persistent. And next, you can turn off or turn on the notification sound for Apple Wallet and badges as well. Finally, down here, we've got the show previews on the lock screen. So if you want any content review on the lock screen, you can choose always. Otherwise, we can choose never, so it will be hidden. So when you have a notifications from Apple Wallet, it will be hidden until you unlock the iPhone. And that's it. So that is how you can customize your Apple Wallet and payments notifications on the iPhone 16 series. Thank you for watching this video. Please like and subscribe to my channel for more videos.